So today is going to be a huge spring clothing haul. Make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. I'm going to keep this intro short because I have a lot to show you guys, and that brings me to my next and last final thing for this intro. But I just wanted to give a huge shout out and just a huge thank you to my grandparents for buying me all these clothes. I haven't really tried all of them on, so I may not even end up keeping all these things, but I wanted to show you guys what I found when I went shopping yesterday. And again, just thank you so much to my grandparents. I'm so very thankful and grateful for everything that they got me. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to start with a thrift store called Plato's Closet. This store is super awesome. If you guys have one near you guys, then I recommend going there. I found quite a few things there, so let's just go ahead and get into it. The first thing I got is this Under Armour sweatshirt. So fun fact, okay, this was first of all $18. These things are like $50 regularly, I think. I had a sweatshirt just like this, seriously, just like this. But something happened with the logo. I think it came unstitched or something, and Under Armour told me that they didn't make these anymore, and so they couldn't replace it. So I had to get a different one. So they gave me a gift card, I had to buy something else. But I was so sad because this was my favorite sweatshirt I've ever owned, and then I found it, and guys, this is like the best. That was like the best day of my life yesterday. Seriously, like I found this sweatshirt, it just made me so happy. So I got this. Also a plus to Plato's Closet is they wash all of their clothes, so they all smell really good. So this next item was $8, and it's kind of just like a long flowy cardigan. I can't really show it to you guys very easily, but that's what this is, and it is really soft and really comfy. Next I got this t-shirt, kind of like a dress, but I mean I definitely have to wear like jeans with it because it's really short, so it's more like a shirt, but it's really cute. It's blue and white striped, and this was only $8 as well. This next shirt was only $4, and it's just a basic black t-shirt, but it's a high-low, so it looks super cute, and it's also really comfy. Next is this dress, which is actually from American Eagle, and it's only $12. Again, I got it at Plato's Closet, but the brand is American Eagle. It has pockets, and it's just a super cute daisy dress, and I'm really excited to wear this. Next is this really comfy and basic shirt. It's just got a little bit of like a crisscross at the top, and this was only $5. Again, just a really basic shirt. This is one of my favorite things that I got from Plato's Closet, actually, aside from the sweatshirt, but it's just this really cute, again, just like a kind of a basic tee with a little pocket on the front, and it's a lace pocket actually, but it was only $6, and again, I just really like this, and again, it's really comfy. The last clothing item that I got from Plato's Closet is just this really cute, almost like a cropped top, but it's not really cropped, it's just a shorter t-shirt, and it just says Wild at Heart, and this was only $3, so really excited about that. Lastly, from Plato's Closet, I got this pair of boots. They're super cute. They have some studs on the back, and they're kind of like a grayish color. I don't really know what the color these are, but they are also really cute, and these were only like $14, I think. So not a bad price. Next, I went to Old Navy, and I didn't really find a whole lot there, but I did find this really cute black tank top in the clearance section, so I got that, and it's just really flowy. And then this has nothing to do with spring, but I got a couple of these little thermals that are kind of Christmassy, I guess, and they're just so cute. This one has cactuses and little Santa hats on the cactuses, and I just thought this was really cute, so I had to get that. Again, it has nothing to do with spring, but I thought it was cute. And I also got this one, which is just a really cute sweater pattern, and it's got reindeer on it, so again, nothing to do with spring, but I had to get those. Next, I went to Maurice's. So I found this really gorgeous rose jacket. It's just like a dark gray color with roses on the front as well as on the back, and I just thought this looked really cute. I have something similar, but not really. It's just a different color. It's just a basic black one. So I really wanted to get this and try it on. Next, I actually found a romper for only $20, and it's just this really pretty blue and white pattern with like floral and stripes on it. It's super cute, and I really like it. The last thing that I got from Maurice's is this basic black leather jacket. I just think it looks really nice, and it's really perfect if you're wanting to dress up an outfit. Next is Rue 21. So I just got a couple of basic camis there. This one is just kind of like a yellowish gold color, and then I also just got this navy blue one. And lastly, from Rue 21, I just got this really basic white high-low t-shirt. The last store that I went to is Kohl's, and this is actually where I found a majority of my clothes. I mean, as if I didn't already find enough clothes, I found more at Kohl's. So the first thing that I found at Kohl's is this gorgeous dress. It's got a lace top, and then it's got a floral bottom, and it is like definitely floral because it's super long. It's got a little belt that goes around the waist, and I just think this is so cute, so I was really excited to find that. Next, I got this really gorgeous floral top, and it's got a zipper in the back, I just think this looks really cute and it's flowy, and yeah, I just really like it a lot. I got a couple of similar shirts that I already have something like it because I really like this style of shirt. So it's just like a tank top, but it's got like an open shoulder or like a cold shoulder, I guess, and then it's got like 3/4 length sleeves. This one is just a floral pattern, and it's got also crisscrosses in the front, which I also really like. I have something like this, and what I meant by that is I have a green, army green shirt, just like this style, but it's an army green and it's flowy. This is more of a really soft and stretchy material. And then I also got this one, which is just a different floral pattern in different colors, but again, I love this style of shirt and they're really soft, so I decided to get both of them. Next, I got this really pretty flowy and sheer fabric floral tank top. Again, I just think it looked really pretty and just really simple, but also really cute too. Next, I got this absolutely gorgeous white lace jacket. It's got some rose gold detailing on it, like with the zippers and the buttons, but I just think this is so delicate but so gorgeous, so I was again really excited to get that. I also got this sheer button-up. Again, it's really flowy and pretty, so that's another reason why I got it. So I always shop in the clearance section at Kohl's because I think they have some really great items there on clearance, of course. So I found this really beautiful coral lace tank top or cami. I just think it looked really pretty and it looks really good, so that's why I got that. Of course, that's why I get everything, guys. Like, I got it because I liked it for the most part, you know, like that's the main reason why I got it, and plus that was only $2, so that was another bonus to buying that. I found another dress at Kohl's, and I love their dresses, to be honest, but it's just another similar style. It's got lace on the top and then a dark blue denim on the bottom, and it's actually a high-low, so that's really cool too. My mom actually found me this dress, and it's just yellow with like roses or like some sort of like pink flower on it with a woven belt, and it's a gorgeous dress, and this is probably one of my favorite dresses that I got. Next, I got this super cute tank top, again on the clearance rack, but I just think it looks beautiful and I love that yellow gold color. I got another floral cold shoulder t-shirt. It's actually really flowy and really soft, but it also has lace detailing on the cold shoulder part of it, so I just thought that was really cute. The other dress that I found at Kohl's is just this really basic one. It's got a crisscross detailing in the back, but the front is just pretty simple, and it's also long sleeve, so that's going to be really perfect for spring. I found another similar shirt to the one I showed you guys at the beginning with the zipper in the back, but this one is just a shimmery floral fabric on the bottom with a little bit of gray on the top, and I just think this looks really cute, and the sleeves are also folded, so that makes it look really nice as well. I found a really gorgeous but simple tank top. It's just another floral sheer fabric. That was really weird how I said that, but anyway, it's really pretty and I really like this too. I love all the clothes that I got, I really do, and that's again why I got them. I wouldn't get something that I hated. This is more for fall/winter time, but sometimes in the spring I could wear this. It's just a kind of, I think, a color block sweatshirt, and it's got like a bit of a like curled neck. I don't even know what it's called. It's not a turtleneck obviously, but it's not got a hood, but it's got a taller neck, so it kind of just like folds over. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's super cute and I really like it. So the last clothing item that I got from Kohl's is just this really gorgeous shirt, and it's similar to the one I showed you guys just a minute ago, but it's just got a floral sheer fabric on the bottom with a navy blue on the top, and again the folded sleeves. So these are really comfy and they also look really cute. The last thing that I got from Kohl's are just these lace shoes. They're kind of similar to like Bob's or Tom's. If you guys know what those are, I'm sure most of you guys do, but these are just by the brand So, and they're really comfy and really cute. They have just lace detailing all over them, and I really like these. Lastly, at Marshall's, I got a lot of home decor stuff, so if you guys want to see that, I'll have my vlog link down below where I show you guys my room decor haul, but I also found this pair of Toms, which again, I was kind of just talking about these, but these are just Toms. They're burgundy, and I really like them, and I'm really excited to wear them. So that is it for my spring clothing haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys don't think I'm trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I honestly had no idea that my grandparents were going to do this for me, and I'm so very thankful for what they did. They did not have to do that, and I'm, again, just so very thankful for that. But I hope that you guys like this video and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day or evening, whatever time you're watching this, and remember to live always. Bye guys.
I wanna be a fire starter. You can help me.